filming prohibited in the police parking lot, or is that a public parking lot?
Yeah, you should be able to.
Okay, thank you, I appreciate it.
I'm asking you to leave.
You're asking me to leave and I'm respectfully telling you no. Am I breaking any kind of law by being here right now, officer?
Hi.
If I am, I'd like to make sure I'm not. Put it down. Put it down. It's around my neck.
I need you to delete these 3 videos.
Again, I'm not trying to be rude to you.
Well, you are being rude to me.
How am I being rude? You have me in handcuffs right now for filming.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Provocation is a Virtue, but you can call him Steve-O. On January 16th of 2022, Steve-O went to the Hamtramck police station to film the exterior of the building. He first circled the property to ensure there weren't any trespassing or restricted signs.
So does that say that code enforcement can't park here? No parking, code enforcement. Use some commas or periods.
After doing his due diligence, he set up a tripod and with a second camera began to document the condition of the taxpayers' vehicles in the lot. Just a few minutes in, Officer Smith exits the building to confront Steve-O.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
Just taking pictures.
Oh.
Anything that I can see, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Anything that I can see.
No.
Yes.
Private stuff.
This is not private. The signs here don't say that it's private property. This is public property. We pay tax money. Nothing here is signed off that it's private, secure. Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can. You're ill-informed. As a law enforcement officer, you're not enforcing any law right now. You're telling me that people are worried about me taking pictures, which is legal. It's a First Amendment activity, protected.
City vehicles?
Yes.
Which are not yours.
Correct.
So.
Well, you're wrong. They are mine.
No,
we
they're
pay
not yours.
tax money.
So you can leave.
I'm not going to leave.
Sir, I'm asking you to leave.
You're asking me to leave, and I'm respectfully telling you no.
Okay.
Am I breaking any law?
You are taking photos of
Correct.
your vehicle.
Can I have your name and badge number?
Yes, the Officer Smith.
Officer Smith, what's your badge number?
37.
37? Am I breaking any kind of law by being here right now, officer?
Hi.
If I am, I'd like to make sure I'm not. If my camera's in the way, I'll move it. If my... Sorry.
At this moment, a call was dispatched over the radio, and Steve-O, in the interest of someone who may need emergency services, ceased asking the officers if he was breaking any laws by filming the vehicles.
Stay safe and have a great day, officer.
You too, just to let you know, my sergeant will come in, he'll talk to you.
I understand.
About everything.
Have a great day and please stay safe.
Thank you. You as well, sir.
Thank you.
Nearly 6 minutes pass, during which Steve-O continues to document the vehicles. This employee pops his head out the door to ask what Steve-O is doing, and calls him an a-hole when asked to identify, which he refused to do. Shortly after, Sergeant George exits the building and arrests Steve-O within 16 seconds of approaching.
How you doing today? Just taking pictures, how are you? Taking pictures. Taking pictures. No. Yeah. Put it down. Put it down. It's around my neck.
He was questioned prior to booking. He didn't use profanity, answered perhaps too many questions, but never gave his name other than telling them that they could call him Steve-O.
Good stop to speak up when they see something like this happen. And if you're not informed, then you should report. Now stop. Who are you? Stop. I don't know you. What's your name? Number. What's your name? Am I under arrest? What's your name? Name and badge number, and am I under arrest? You know what? You can sit here. I don't want to. And I'll just do what I'm going to sit here against my will and under duress. For filming in a parking lot. For filming in your parking lot.
You're wasting our time.
You're wasting my time. I could be filming and leaving. I want to go to the college.
Obviously you don't have things to do.
I do.
I'm not trying to be mean.
But you are, because you're ignorant.
It's my Sunday, and I wanted to sit down for a little bit.
Okay, go away. I'm going to talk to you while you're here.
Yeah.
Again, I'm not trying to be rude to you.
Well, you are being rude to me.
How am I being rude? You have me in handcuffs right now for filming.
I don't have you in handcuffs.
Then take them off. Okay, so I'm in handcuffs with you right now.
After he was booked and cited, Officer Gonzalez interrogated him prior to his release. He demanded that Steve-O delete 3 of his videos, and if he didn't, he would be in the possession of illegal material.
So I need you to delete these 3 videos.
So that one with that person, with that information, and that information. Our guys are gonna we're gonna go after, we're gonna talk to our guys and address the fact that they're gonna do the pictures and stuff like that. I need you to delete those videos so that way they don't.
Steve-O refused, and the officer deleted the videos himself. Steve-O then left, cited with trespassing and obstructing. His court date is soon with the infamous Judge Alexei Krot.
Is it, ma'am, forgivable because my father is currently sick and we cleaned that after...
You see that photo?
I am very sick, man.
That is shameful. If I could give you jail time on this, I would.
She, however, seems to still be on leave after issuing this apology, and another magistrate is handling her cases. Steve-O is fighting his case, and has all of the evidence and a lot more posted on his channel, including several videos where he returned to the same department and asked if he was allowed to film in the parking lot.
Okay, and is filming prohibited in the police parking lot, or is that a public parking lot?
If there's a sign up there, then you wouldn't be able to.
And that's what I didn't see, but I don't want to go out there and...
If we have a sign up there, then you wouldn't be, but if there's no sign, then you can.
So wait, if there's a sign, I can or I cannot?
I don't know. If there's a sign out there that says that private property, then you wouldn't.
And there's not. Is there an officer you could ask? I just want to make sure before I go around filming that that's not the case, because I don't want to go out there and film and find out there's a trespassing sign.
I can ask my surgeon.
Okay.
Give me a second, okay?
And I'm going to wait out there if that's okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
fine.
Thank you. Calling me. I'll be right back.
Yeah, you should be able to.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Stay warm. So she just confirmed. So she didn't know if I could record in the parking lot, so she went to go ask and confirm it.
I will keep you updated on the results of this encounter, but to be the first to know as information comes out and to view the videos shown in full, head over to Provocation is a Virtue's channel, let him know I sent you, and remember to film all of your interactions with state officials. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content, and remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.